Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a lovely week so far. Today we are doing a pack with me. I'm off to Houston for 4-ish days and 4 nights. If you enjoyed this video while you're watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Now if you want to skip just to the pack with me, I'll have the timestamps listed below. Let's get packing. This trip is a little different. I'm not actually going for like touristy stuff. It's a little bit of work, a little bit of other things going on. So it's not going to be a traditional vlog like I normally would do. Instead, I'm going to do like a foodie roundup. Honestly, there's a lot of good food spots down in Houston, so I'm really excited. Don't forget to check back in for that video. So we're going to start off by what I'm bringing for my bottoms. So those are basically just like Levi's, really comfortable, easy to pair with a lot of basic neutral colors. I think it's just gonna be an easy piece, especially when it's a little bit warmer out. Now these black shorts are super versatile, really lightweight and comfy. They're not that sweater material. They have a cooler lining inside. I like the lace detail on the bottom, and honestly, I just think it's a really cute piece for the springtime. Next up, I'm bringing my black Yeti bicycle shorts. These shorts are super easy to pair with everything. Again, they're really easy in the sun, and they cover all the way down to the knee or right above the knee, which is perfect. Next up, we have 3 sleep shorts or PJs. It's easy to lounge around in or just stay comfortable in. Next, I'm bringing a super light pair of joggers that I got from Target. They're really easy to slip on. They're lightweight, breathable, so on those colder mornings, I think it'll be nice to have some joggers. Again, in that pants category, I do have just some plain black leggings, again, for when it's a little bit chillier out. And last but not least, I have a blue jean in like a mom jean style fit. Next up, we're gonna move into the one and done outfits. This is if I want to be a little more dressy or feel a little bit more put together. These are the outfits I'm bringing. So that is like an Amazon like free people inspired outfit. You can layer it with just a basic top and some sneakers, and I think it would look really cute. So essentially this is just a cute black staple dress that I love to wear. It feels so good. It's super soft material. I can dress it up, I can dress it down. Really happy with this piece. Next up, we're moving on to just basic tees and tops that I'm bringing along. So that's basically just like a black cami that's gonna be super versatile with all the other pieces. This is a nice tan bodysuit. It's not super constricting, which is why I like it for like the hotter months, but it's really cute and it matches a lot of the bottoms that I'm bringing. Another white lace basic top that again can match with everything, which is what I go for on vacation. Again, those were just some basic t-shirts to sleep or lounge in. So my wear bag has all of my undergarments, socks, etc. in there. Keeps everything separate, you know? Then of course I have the wash bag for any dirty laundry that I'm taking back. This way if any of my clothes are actually clean, I can keep them separated as well. All right, it is time to pack up. This, for reference, this is a carry-on Samsonite spinner bag. It is super lightweight, super easy to travel with. I honestly love this bag. It is on Amazon. I can link it down below. Also, I've almost never had any issues with this. I had one on United, but I think that was a gate agent. I've never had any other issues with this particular bag, and honestly, it's just the perfect bag. Here we go. Alright guys, it is time to go off to Houston. I'll see you all later. Bye!